Alright guys, so me legit just reach home. Me nah fix nothing, me just I go talk exactly how it is. Come off back. So me did the down at Tamara guys, cause me did go do me fingernails. However, I wanted my nails to have all diamonds on them, just diamonds alone. So as I can see these ones shape smaller, but with the diamonds on it, they're gonna be a little bit broader. So I was in Mandeville doing my nails, but then no 8 o'clock curfew. So me I run out now because I want to go uptown and get through everything. As I said, the diamonds make it look fatter. I know all of them are have diamonds, so I know them are gonna look fat. I did do me hair earlier on in the day, and then bring that to me. Give it. And shut up. Anyways, guys, so me just don't finish my nails. Well, my nails not finished, but me did start my nails, and then me say tomorrow me can't finish because diamonds are up on everything, and it gonna take up time. So me stop doing my nails. Alright, me I run go uptown now because me want to one of my bracket did pop off, and my braces bracket did pop off, and then me call the girl, and the girl tell me say to come. So I was running to go get to her so that I can do the braces. Now guys, let me tell you something. This happened before with me and the police. As in, like, what I realize is this: the police are more quick to rush to certain things than they are to others, and that is just messed up. At the end of the day, they did not say that they weren't gonna attend to me. Don't get it twisted, but I'm in there. There are a lot of police officers in there. I'm telling them that, listen, this incident just happened. So there's enough time for you to find the person in the town. There's enough time. I don't know how them do it, but there's still enough time. The guy at traffic, so it is impossible for him to go around that fast and go wherever he's going. However, when I went, sit down. However, when I went inside there, when the officer, like, he might talk to me, but so miss, what you doing, like, how you doing, really. Like, he's asking me how I'm doing. That is not why I'm here. Why I'm here is I was hit by a freaking car. I'm come to report it. You understand? I'm come to report it. Now, the officer say, okay, talk to the traffic police because that is a traffic matter. So the officer did come to me and say, what is going on? And then he say, talk to the traffic police because that's a traffic officer. The traffic officer come to me and I go say, the traffic, may I slap you? The traffic officer come to me and I will say, just sit down over there, so miss. Another police will attend to you shortly. Really? You're not doing anything. You're engaging in a whole conversation that is not even relevant because you're not talking on police duty. You're talking to your friend about crap. Legit crap. And there is somebody here with something that is important because the officer said there's an accident. She's reporting an accident, so you have to take it. And at the end of the day, you come and you listen to what I am saying, and then you go back to what you're going back to. You're getting paid to do police work, not sit around and talk. And that is the reason why the system so FUCKEDUP, because when nah look out. Stop. You want me to give the belt? Una nah look out for people. Una nah look out for what people are going through, for what people are facing on a daily basis. And it is crazy. It is ridiculously stupid and crazy. Anyways, I'm going to tell you exactly what happened leading on to this. So now I want to go uptown, guys, right? If you live in Mandeville, you know how Mandeville set up. You know say there's a bank over there, so, and you know say in order to cross the road, you have to cross where the bank is or anywhere along that area. However, I was crossing right there. Persons were at the bank. So, if none of the people who were there at the bank know me, them can see, because I was very upset and I was cursing. I was cursing a whole lot. Because this man, shish. What happened is, I crossing the road, all the vehicles stop. The one behind him stop, the one in front of him stop, because other persons were crossing with me. Right? So them stop. Walking now, I don't know what for up on the man head. But me, I watch the man because the man start look like the man I look the other direction. Right? And me I come cross. Now me see the man, people, me see the friggin' man, like, me don't know if I went press gas or whatever. But it's like, me don't know. It come like my mind tell me, say, brother, that man I lick you down. Because it's like the car come towards me and the man nasty shit. So I don't know if him have him man pan the things if he drive the car, but him not look or what. I don't know what was happening. But this man was not looking on the road. Now I'm coming, this man is coming, this man not looking. The only thing that me could have did do, the only thing that I could have done was stop in the middle of the road. I stopped. Because he was coming towards me, and me know people say, "I'm gonna lick me now." When me say, when me I try stop the man to ras, me stop and me I say, "Y'all gonna lick me, y'all gonna lick me." The man, nah, look, people, you know what me have to do? Brace myself and start lick the car, so me I lick the friggin' car. When him realize, cause everybody start ball out now, and I say, "Y'all gonna kill her, y'all gonna kill her." And at the fucking time they look like, excuse my language, at the time they look like the man wake up and realize him almost kill me. When the man realized that now, the man I go say, what do you? I was like, what the fuck you mean by what do me? Are you almost kill me? What the hell you mean by what wrong with me? You almost kill me and you ask me what do me? Really? Me say first thing what should not come out your mouth is, are you okay? Can I help you? That a right thing we're supposed to say. You swear me I say, he didn't know start running off him out because he probably never liked the way. Listen, you almost hit me. My adrenaline is all over the place. I am upset. I tell you to stop. Don't pick it off. I am upset. So you cannot expect to get a calm reaction. You don't. In situations like these, nobody will know how they are going to respond to whatever is happening around them. You can't know how you're going to respond. Because now we make ourselves and God make we, and we don't know how adrenaline work. So, is it a flight or freaking flight or cuss or whatever the hell? I was so scared out of my mind. You swear me I say? And then him did that tell me, so well, I'm going to take your license plate number. So he hesitate. He was hesitating. I don't know if him that could come out of the car or whatever. I don't really know. But if him did come out, I feel like say me afraid of him. He make another sad mistake right there. So, right? Anyways, him did that hesitate. Him did that hesitate, people. Me alone did it. And this is one of the reasons why I'm telling you, say, you know. You see, sometimes in a life, you can't ever chill. Sometimes in life, you can't ever put your faith or your trust in a people. Because you see, when shit get freaking real, are only you. When shit get real, it's only you. I was standing there. And like some people, they must say, go on over the station, go report and something. Because I hear people them from over the side that talk. But nobody never really, because I never really give nobody a chance to come close to me. Because as me told me that try make me wait. One time me kind of turn out either. Like, me not even know what to do. Me not cry. One time me turn out like, me not even know what to do. And then me go over to the police station now. Talking to one of the officer. Him say talk to one of the officer. Me still up there look like either. Alright, if you don't know Mandeville police station, so you don't know, so they always have two officers sitting at the front or one. Nobody did this so. Nobody never did this so. So, me go so boom now, walk away. One of the officers see me and say, what the problem? Me I tell him what is the issue. He say, okay, alright. So just calm down a little bit and then go back in there and tell him your problem. Make your report. And if you want continue with it, like, must go some insurance company with him, license plate number, 100%. In which, listen, I was not trying to make a big deal out of it because in my mind, the car only hit me palm my hand. It hit me palm my hand, but at the end of the day, I was like, I was panic. Me did panic, so me that beat the car like so at the same time. You understand? Because me that try to get him attention to make him stop. So you know, once you're in action, you're not gonna really get that hurt. Probably if my hand they just put on something and lick me now, it and probably lick off or something. But me that like lick it or bonnet or whatever I want to name that something there, right? Because of boom now, me didn't know. Me that talk to the other officer outside. I was to come back and talk to the people them also. And then my main purpose of wanting to make the report, now the only reason why I wanted to make that report was because he can do it to somebody else. Because he was gazing. That man was gazing. Man now ask God if him never had a gaze. The man did a gaze. And the man could have do it to the man can do it to somebody else. And that person might not be so lucky. He can crash and he might not be so lucky. Guys, when you not drive, you pay freaking attention to the road. Because people walk, people drive, people have motor, people have, what them call them, bicycle, people have bike. Stop! And if me talk to you again, I belt me, I go no. Listen, People have whole heap of things with them up on the road. I know one set of people use the roads and enough set of people use the road. I could have want a little baby with shot where you could see and you lick him down, kill him. But thanks be to God, him did the on my side. Thanks be to Jesus in heaven. You did the on my side. Because I don't know what that happened tonight. But as me say, guys, you see, whenever shit get real, are you alone. Right now, I'm not telling no lie. My foot right as I hurt me, my foot feel weird. And if my foot continue to feel so by a morning when I wake up, I am going to press charges. I am going to go to the police station and I am going to sit down and I'm going to wait. I'm going to make sure that my story get heard. Because me no wrong with them officer. Them officer nowadays, something really wrong with them. I'm not telling no lie. Who the man, the whatever I want to call them could I hear. Because I just don't understand why every time when something bad happens and you try to use the right channel, you use the right channel, nothing happens. You're using the right channel to get your justice and nothing happens. Nothing happen. Nothing happen. And we know that jungle justice is not the way to go. But when you're using the proper channels, nothing don't happen either. So what people supposed to do? What are we supposed to do? That's a one question. What we do?